Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and today we have an absolutely stunning Alpina X7 in with us. So what have we actually upgraded on today's vehicle? Today is all about a product called Target Blu Eye 2. What is the product? What does it do and how does it work? It's a phenomenal upgrade and I hate driving a car without it. It's one of the first upgrades that goes into any one of my vehicles. What it is it tells you and alerts you by an audible tone and a visual alert, fully integrated into the factory X7 mirror, of an upgrade, and it basically tells you where emergency service vehicles are marked and unmarked. I mean, yes, how good is that? And yes, it is as good as it sounds. The only thing is it doesn't tell you or alert you the difference between a fire engine, ambulance, or an unmarked police car. That is why it keeps it completely legal. So it is really useful when you're driving up to roundabouts, for example, like I was this morning, drove up to a roundabout and it basically was going off. So I looked around and I knew ahead of everyone else that an emergency service vehicle was in the vicinity and I needed to be more aware of it so I could slow down and basically pull over safely and let that emergency service vehicle come by and pass. So it is really, really important, and you use this on a daily basis. You see it all day long where basically people aren't aware of emergency service vehicles and they can't move out of the way safely, slow down to protect themselves and other road users, and it makes a hell of a difference. So what an upgrade it is, and also what a car it is as well. You see, these things are incredibly quick machines and I absolutely love the spec on this as well. We've actually integrated the display into the factory rear view mirror. We've got two little buttons mounted onto the back of the mirror, so it's literally pretty much invisible in terms of a design, and it works with seamless integration as well. As soon as you turn your car on, you get the LED platform on your factory mirror. As soon as you turn off the car, it goes off. But what an upgrade it is. If you want to learn a little bit more about the product itself, make sure you go check out our website. That link is in the description below. But thank you once again for watching, and I look forward to adding this one onto your car soon.